This video gives an overview of the Maintenance Awareness System. The Maintenance Awareness System is a function of the MAX display system. It uses multifunction displays, 3 MFD selectors, and the MAINT light to show airworthiness and system information. Use the MFD selector to access the Maintenance Awareness System. If the MAINT light is on, a status message exists. Status messages indicate a fault that must be repaired or deferred. Maintenance pages aid in system analysis and fault isolation. Data shows in real time or as event snapshots. You can print, data link, or erase the information. Use the Airplane Configuration Data page to view and edit airplane identification data. Use the Miscellaneous System Control page to put the APU and EEC into test mode, show maintenance pages above 10,000 feet, and enable dual MFD display mode. Use the Latched Message Erase page to view and erase latched status messages and scheduled maintenance task messages. Use the MAINT light page to select active status messages for dispatch and turn off the MAINT light. This completes the 737 MAX Maintenance Awareness Overview.